Floss daily, a simple phrase with a healthy habit. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, floss daily. This might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important. Floss daily is a phrase that combines two key elements, the verb, floss, and the adverb, daily. Floss. This verb refers to the action of cleaning between your teeth using a thin, soft thread. It's an essential part of oral hygiene, daily. This adverb indicates that the action should be done every day. So, when someone says, floss daily, they are advising or reminding you to clean between your teeth with floss every day. In English, the context of a phrase is crucial. Floss daily can be found in various situations. 1. Dental care advice. A dentist might say this to emphasize the importance of oral hygiene. 2. Health tips. In a list of healthy habits, this phrase might be included to suggest a daily routine. 3. Informal conversations. Friends or family might use it in casual discussions about health or routines. Understanding the context helps you grasp why and how the phrase is used. In many English-speaking countries, dental health is taken very seriously. Thus, floss daily is more than just a phrase. It's part of a broader cultural emphasis on health and hygiene. It reflects the value placed on taking care of one's body daily. You might also hear variations like, remember to floss every day. Make sure you floss daily. These variations convey the same message but may be used differently depending on the speaker and the situation. Floss daily is a simple phrase that packs a lot of meaning. It's not just about oral hygiene. It's about a daily habit that contributes to overall health. We hope this video has helped you understand this common English phrase better. Keep practicing, and don't forget to floss daily, both in your dental routine and in learning English. See you in our next video.